All right, I have another example I want to talk about using ChatGPT with SQL Server or with SQL databases. I first just started right off the bat and just said, hey, I have two tables, runner and runner time. He says, great, what do you want to know? I said, well, the runner table has 3 fields, runner ID, first name, last name. It says, okay, it tells you all this stuff. I said, the runner times has 3 columns, runner ID, runner time ID, runner ID, and race time. It says, okay, thank you for sharing more information. Overall, seems to serve a way to track the runner's performance. Okay, right on. It's just blah, 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 right? How would you ask, and I said, how would you ask for the minimum runner time and return back the first name and last name? And it says, well, when you do this, it's going to get the person that has the best time. I said, oh, that's kind of cool, except if you want the minimum. Otherwise, it even tells you if you want it for every single person, use a group by. And I said, what if I want to group by runner? And it would come back here and say, well, this is group by runner, first name, last name, and so forth. And it comes on, and I said, what would a sample look like? And then it comes back and says, this is what the sample would look like. And it gives you this basic table in its output. This is what the sample would look like. Okay. You can ask other questions of it too. You could be like, what would the data look like in the runner time table? And it would give you an example of that. So in the runner time, that's what it would look like. Notice it has auto incremented on the runner time, and over here it has, looks like 3 different runners, 1, 1, 2, 2, and 3, and there's their times. Okay, and you could even say, like, what would the runner table look like? And it would come over and give an example what that would look like, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, pretty cool. Again, ChatGPT is like pretty cool to use to help you learn about things like group by, joins, some of the really basic stuff. Okay, and you can ask it like how would you do a sort, or how could you order by, or what if I wanted runner ID to have a different name? All those different things that we've kind of talked about in class, you can just play with it more in ChatGPT and let it sink in a little bit more and ask for more examples. Okay, so anyway, super cool. Thought I'd share this with everybody.